Hey everyone, welcome back to CODEXICAL, your one-step destination toward everything about AI software engineering and new upcoming trends. In this video, I will teach you about control flows. If else if, and conditions. All the control flows are covered in this video. In this video, you will see a PPT file in which your concept will be clear, and then you will go through a lab session where you can get a practical hands-on experience, and at the end of the video you will see an interesting exercise for you. So let's go to our video. Welcome to CODEXICAL. In this video we will explore control flow in Python, the logic that decides how our code runs. Let's get started. Control flow is what allows Python to make decisions and repeat tasks. Without it, programs would simply execute line by line. It's what makes programs dynamic and powerful. Control flow defines the order in which statements are executed in a program. It allows programs to make decisions, repeat action, and skip the steps. Python uses conditions and loops to manage control flow. These conditions could be less than, greater than, equal to, or another logical operations that are performed in a program. If one condition don't match is not true, then another condition executes. Conditional statements allow you to execute different code depending on conditions. Use if, elif, and else to branch logic in your Python scripts. Such as in this example, you are seeing that if your age is greater than 18, then you are an adult, otherwise you are minor. The syntax of if condition is this: age is greater than equal to 18 and then colon, and then whatever you want to print whenever this condition is true. And then else condition executes if the first condition will not true, then the else condition will automatically print it on screen. As you have gained the concept of control flows, all the conditional statements, now we'll go towards our lab session. So let's go toward it. So let's start our lab. I have just now created a control flow.py file in which you can run your Python program. So I will create a simple program in which I will use the conditional statements and control flows to print. If a number is positive, then prints positive number. If number is negative, then it prints the negative number on screen. So let's start. I will assign a number to number letter. So I will assign 2 for it to get output if it is a positive number or a negative number. So hit enter, and I will use the if condition for this. So if condition start with the if letter, and then you will write the condition whatever you want to write. So I will write number is greater than 0. As you know that greater than 0 is always positive and less than 0 is always negative. So this is the simple syntax to write a condition of if, and then hit enter. You can see that the space is created. So that's the true sign that your if condition is syntax is true. So then you will write any type of program that will execute if this condition is true. If it's false, then it goes towards next condition. So I will write print it's a positive number. In this area you write any type of program, it will execute. So I have created it's a positive number, then I will write for negative number condition. So I will write else colon, this is the condition. If the if condition fails to becomes false, then this condition will not execute, the else condition will execute at that place. So I will print it's a negative number, hit enter, and then if you print at that place, print colon done. If you write print at that place at the start of the line, then this line will execute always, because of it is not the part of the conditional statement, so it will execute automatically without interrupting that whole conditions. So I will save it, Control S. As we have seen, the number is 2, so it's a positive number. As you see, it's a positive number, and done is also printed on screen, as it prints automatically when the program runs on screen. Now I will move toward another example in which I will create a program to get a number is even or odd. So let's start. So as you know that number is also initialized, so we will initialize the conditions only. So this condition is written, I will simply change this condition. So number is written at that place, so I will change it according to the condition. So if number modulus 2 is equal to 0, then it becomes a even number, otherwise it will be a odd number. So it's a simple example to print an even or odd number with the help of control flows. Even number, it's a odd number. So this is a simple changing. I will change it out. So I will run it for you. As you see, I have written the 2 number, so it's a even. Whenever I write the 3, then save it and run it for you, then it simply prints it's an odd number. So our program runs accurately. So practice it at your own place. Now I will show you when you want more conditions at the same time. So it's a single condition. If you want to add more conditions to it, then you want to change that code. So I will move towards it and make a program for you. I will change it towards number is equal to 1, first condition. Then the second condition is elif, simple. This keyword helps to add more conditions in the program. So I will write the second condition, number is equal to 2. It's the second condition and colon. That's working is simply like if condition. If this condition fails to become true, then the second elif condition will run. If you want more, then it will work it for you. So I will copy it and paste it there. So I will write condition number is equal to 3. Third condition will be run, and then else condition last. If all the conditions becomes false, then else condition will be executed. So else condition print else condition is executed. And as you know, whatever you write at the start of the line, it will automatically be printed on screen whenever you run a program. So I will change it. First condition st first condition then second condition, second second condition, and then third condition. So as you know that number is 3, so this condition would be false and this condition would be false, and the last one, this condition would be true. So this condition will be executed and another everybody is become passed out, and the done statement will be printed on screen. So I will save it, Ctrl S, and run it, hit enter, and then as you see that third condition is executed. If I write 4, then any of the condition that are written at that place, they will not execute instead of else condition, because else condition execute when all the conditions are false. So I will save and run it. As you see, else condition is executed. This is the simple concept you are saying. So I have a quick exercise for you. It's a simple program. You use the control flows to create that program. Create a program that takes the total marks and use conditions to assign grades. In this, you want to create the conditions that if the total marks are greater than 90, then you print A grade on screen. If the total marks are greater than 80, then print B grade. If the total marks are greater than 65, then print C grade. If the total marks are less than 50, then you want to print fail in else condition. So it's a simple program. You can practice it out at yourself. You will get more familiar with it. And in the next video, we will learn about loops and its working. So see you in the next video, and don't miss to subscribe our channel.